Reading practice number 6. Dear Mr. Poland, thank you for your order for 5,000 square yards of superior carpeting at the special price of $300 per 100 yards. Paragraph. As you will see on the enclosed form, we are shipping you 3,000 yards this week, period. The remaining 2,000 yards will be shipped just as soon as we receive additional stock from the manufacturer in Nashville, period. This should be about March 5, paragraph. I hope, Mr. Poland, that this delay will not cause you any inconvenience, period. Cordially yours,